Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Carpenter here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be an add-on to my latest video, which was how I made over 100K in 14 days with ClickBank and native advertising. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will leave a link to it below this video. But basically in that video, I did the 5 steps that I use to create my native ads campaigns. And the second one was probably one of the most important steps, and that is to spy. I covered how you can go about using Adplexity to find winning native ad campaigns and how to easily find top landing pages that are converting, the top ad images that are working, etc. So that was with Adplexity, and that's on the spendier side. That's over $100 a month. But I forgot to add in that there is a free way to spy on native ads campaigns, and that is with using ofads.life. So that's the URL, but it's life of ads. Now to continue with this example that I did, let's say I wanted to spy on people running diabetes campaigns. I would just come to ofads.life and I would hit that drop down menu for search ads, and this is how I go about it. In the ad title, I type in a relevant keyword. So if I'm promoting diabetes freedom, I'll type in diabetes. I just typed in diabetes and then I clicked enter. And now we can just come and browse. Doctors amazed. Do this immediately if you have diabetes. So ofads.life, it has the network, how many days this ad was seen, times it was seen, the geo that it's mostly running in, and then the last seen and the platform. So this one with like that weird egg looking thing, that was on smartphone. It's been running in the US for 33 days through Rev Content. So I'm going to go to ad details. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. So there's the title, Doctors Amazed. Do this immediately if you have diabetes, watch. That is a good looking image, and that would be something that I'd consider testing, or finding an image that's visually similar to this ad right here and testing it out in my own campaign if I was running diabetes freedom. So what else does it have? If you scroll down, you can come and check the landing page that it's on. So right away, for those of you who have watched my previous video, when I was spying, I was finding a lot of landing pages just like this. So this one is the same. How to relieve diabetes, do this immediately. I would definitely, if I wanted to use a landing page like this, I would definitely split test another headline against this because that seems kind of short. I would like to add in maybe like doctors are stunned, how you can naturally relieve diabetes in 2 months or less. You can do this tonight. That would be a headline split test, and it's all about split testing. I like how they have the image with the time. I think I'll test that out if I ever run a diabetes campaign in the future, which I probably will. And then lastly, they have the domain seen on. So it's pretty similar to Adplexity, but this is just a free way to go about it. I know when you're starting out running native ads to affiliate marketing offers, you're going to be trying to do so as cheap as possible. Disclaimer, you do need some sort of a budget, but saving on a spy tool could give you enough, or give you more money to invest in your ad spend and testing out landing pages, ads, headlines, you name it. So lastly, so this, like I said, this is just an add-on to my previous video. One more time, if you want to watch this video, there's so much value in there. It's 38 minutes long. Get your notepad out. Like, this is the real deal right here. This is how I'm running my campaigns, making thousands of dollars a day running native ads to affiliate offers. So that link will be below, and I figure I'd just make this little video to save you guys if you can't afford Adplexity. So that's it for this one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you got any value, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.